As you can see here, there are two countries, Armenia and Azerbaijan. So recently the news has been that these two countries a war has escalated between these two countries. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan and the capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. As you can see here, the capital of Armenia is Yerevan and the capital of Azerbaijan is Baku, which is located on the Caspian Sea. So now what has happened that a war has escalated between these two countries, and these two countries have been in war since the 1980s, have been in conflict due to some geopolitical reasons. First of all, let's understand the religion and culture of these two countries. Azerbaijan is almost 94% Muslim, with majority 90% Shia Muslim, and Armenia 90% Shia Muslim and 94% Islam, and Armenia is 97% Christianity, with some Judaism, and some Judaism is also followed here. But the main part is that Armenia is a part of CSTO agreement. So Russia is always in support of Armenia, and Azerbaijan is supported by Turkey, which is also a Muslim country and Islamic country, but it is almost 90% Sunni Muslim. So here a very major difference in ideology takes place, that the Shia and Sunni Muslims, which have been in conflict since 1400 years, they both are cooperating and coordinating with each other as well as supporting each other. So you can see here the region which is in conflict is Nagorno-Karabakh region. So in this case, the United Nations has already demarcated the boundaries between Azerbaijan and Armenia, and borders of the Nagorno-Karabakh autonomous region is, as you can see here, this is the Nagorno-Karabakh autonomous region. So this region is in conflict. So both Armenia and Azerbaijan have a claim on this region. It is a territory of Azerbaijan, and but Armenia is trying to occupy it, and also some areas of Azerbaijan are occupied by Armenia. As you can see here, these red dots, these two territories of Azerbaijan have been occupied by Armenia, and this green dot, as you can see here, this green one beside the lake, this has been occupied by Azerbaijan. It was a Armenian territory. So regarding this conflict, Azerbaijan is supported by Pakistan, Turkey as well as Israel, and Armenia is a part of CSTO agreement, so it is supported by Russia. So as we can see here, the main point of making this video was that India, which is located in South Asia, is supplying arms. This is India, and the major conflict regions of India are the Kashmir regions as well as Aksai Chin region, where it is in conflict with, in the Aksai Chin region, China, it is in conflict with China, and in the Kashmir region it is in conflict with Pakistan. So we don't have, China doesn't play any role here, so we'll remove China from the video. But Pakistan as well as Turkey as well as Israel support Azerbaijan. It is not like India is against Azerbaijan, because they have very good cooperative relationship with each other, and they are also part of INSTC corridor, North South Transport Corridor, between Russia, Azerbaijan, Iran as well as India, which India accesses through Iran through the Chabahar port as well as Bandar Abbas port. But the thing is that Azerbaijan is being supported by Turkey and Israel as well as Pakistan. So and this is Russia, as you can see here, this is Russia, and it is a supporter of Azerbaijan. So India has supplied its Pinaka missile rocket system to Armenia. It is a 2000 crore rupees deal, and it is a part of India's push towards supporting weapons of almost 35,000 crore till year 2025. So this target has to be achieved. So India has supplied weapons worth rupees 2000 crores to Armenia. The main weapon is Pinaka multi-barrel rocket system, missile system, and some more ammunitions, as well as earlier India had supplied radar systems to Armenia to look after its borders and detect mortars as well as rockets and missiles. So this was the video between conflict between Armenia as well as Azerbaijan. So this is all about the conflict. Hope you found this video informational, and I will see you in the next video. So this is all about the intention of India is not against Azerbaijan as well as Iran or against any other country, because it is just a deal, ammunition deal, arms deal, as well as deal between two countries, where the Pinaka missile rocket system has been selected by Armenia because it is cheap as well as effective. The Pinaka missile rocket system is named after Lord Shiva's celestial bow Pinaka. It has a range of 40 kilometers, and the second generation has almost been developed and has been tested by DRDO. So this is all about the Armenia-Azerbaijan conflict, and India, what is the role of India, which India plays in this conflict.